We're at Glen Brittle. So what we've been doing today is we've just gone on a bit of a walk. We've already been on the fairy pools. Dawn's trying to get to the camera as I'm moving round. There you go. Oh dear. When I first started doing this, thinking about doing these vlogs, it was, you ain't getting me on the camera, you ain't getting me on the camera. Go get off it now, I tell you what.
That's not true.
Campsite and calf closed, so this is where we are. But what we're going to do today, we're just going to go for an hike. Oh yes, she's got the smile on her face as on the beach. Oh, loves the beach as Dawn.
And Freddie.
And Freddie. Go on, Fred. Go on. Funny sort of beach this is. It's sort of sand and pebbles. Well, grit. It's black. Grey. Quite nice though.
It's actually a lock.
I know it's actually a lock.
Yeah.
It's a lock. A tidal lock. It's beautiful.
That's
Oh, it's beautiful.
You're not filming, are you now? You're just making it up.
Morning. We're just heading off from Glen Brittle Beach. The van is parked over there. The field in front of us is a massive motorhome, caravan, camping place. However, it's shut. There you go. That means I'm losing more money. Never mind. There's another guy up there who's camped overnight. Has got signs up there saying no overnight camping. Looks like he has camped there. We didn't. We just turned up early this morning. Well, I say early, about 9:30. That's pretty early for us, unless we're out doing a sunrise or something. Yeah, so this is our view. We did a little bit of a walk around here yesterday, just for a late afternoon. But today we're going to do a little bit more. Here's Dawn. So this is the path up this hill. We're going to get up, and then yeah, if there's anything interesting up there, we'll switch it back on. We've already done a lone tree this morning. That was a bit interesting. Okay guys, just so you know what's going on, this is going to be two videos, two separate days put into one. One was a cold day, one was a misty day. Stick with it, it'll all make sense in the end. Cheers. As you can see here guys, I'm out of breath. The higher we can get in, we're getting up into this mist. It's getting hard to see stuff down there now. And I think by the time we finish this walk we will be 100% in the mist unless it burns off. It never burnt off properly yesterday. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're still walking and it is still uphill. Whew. We're still in this heavy fog, however it does like it's getting brighter. I just can't find the camera, I don't know if that's actually going to show you, but it is bright, definitely getting brighter. And we can see the tops of the hills now, and actually I can see blue sky right in front of us. Oh dear. So yeah, it's uphill step after step. We've not had a bit of downhill, and yes, we've got blue sky coming on this side now. So it's actually getting burnt off. So, oh man, there's a massive mountain in front of us.
I think that's the cloud.
That ain't a cloud, though, that's a mountain. That's a mountain there in front of you, that ain't a cloud. Don't.
I think you could be right.
I am definitely right. Don't think the cloud isn't the mountain is a cloud. There you go.
No, I can see now.
I can see it now because it is brightening up and it is going to, well, hopefully clear so that we can get some photography done. There you go guys, I'm going to switch you off, speak to you in a bit, bye bye. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn this camera around now and I'm going to show you what this is all about. Here we go, nice and steady. Look at that guys, we've got ourselves an inversion. We're actually higher than some of the cloud base here. It goes without saying. This is now going to be photographed to the best of my ability. Never done it before, so don't hold your breath, but I will try. I said guys, I'm switching you off before this disappears. Speak to you in a bit. And within 2 minutes guys, another bank of clouds come in and it's disappeared. Oh dear. Couple of jets up there, I don't know if you can see them. High in the sky, couple of jets. Wonder what their view's like up there. I was saying guys, we've been climbing a bit further. Okay guys, as you can see that mist has come back in, so we're going to wait it out here until it clears a bit. No doubt it will now as soon as the sun pops up. In the meantime, what I'm going to show you, you can see I've got the camera all set up here, so I'm waiting for that to happen. What me and John uses to do our navigation when we come on these hikes. Bit extreme really, but there you go. So he uses one of these, a Garmin, and all it is, it logs onto the satellites and then it Bluetooths either to an iPhone or an iPad. Now we ain't got an iPhone, we use his Galaxy. It's not going to work on one of them phones, it's got to be an iPhone. So you just sort of hold the button down. You see the lights are flashing here. When the green light goes to solid, you've got a connection to the satellites, like we have now. And then when the blue light's solid, it's connected to your iPad or whatever. So just hold that there, don't. So this is the iPad, and what we use something called Outdoors GPS. Just click on that, and then it's set where you are, and there you go. This is the pathway I'm on, and we are facing that way going up it. So these are the mountains running around us, and again you can still see the paths. So this is the 125th of what is it? 120? 100, 125th mapping. So we've come from down this end here with the car park, and then we've come all the way up this trail. Hang on, let's have a look where we are.
Your finger's on it, not long
Oh, my finger's on it.
There it is. Oh.
Here it is. So our van's parked here. Then we've walked up of this trail here. That's where we are now. So this gives you perfect, you know. So if we had been unlucky enough to have just been stuck in a load of fog and couldn't find our way back, then just switch this on and it just shows you exactly where you are on the path, and it's so accurate, it's unbelievable. We also use this for some of the navigation when we're driving. You can download the Google map. Now this is all free. The program itself, we rent the program. I think it's about 20 quid a year, but there's no fees afterwards. This just Bluetooths to the Garmin, and the Garmin just connects the satellites free of charge. There's no over-added charges. The Garmin device was about, I think it was about 70 quid, something like that. And obviously you just connect it over to an iPad or an iPhone. Anyway guys, I'm going to get gone.
It was Ordnance Survey maps that you subscribe to.
Yeah, it's Ordnance
on an annual basis.
It's an Ordnance Survey map what we just prescribed to on an annual basis. It's about 20-25 quid a year. But it's all good. This has took us all the way around Scotland. Because it can't get onto the internet itself, all you do is download the maps from off the site, and once you've downloaded the maps, it just tells you exactly where you are on that map. And as you're driving along, to be honest with you, you know, the little blue thing, you're just moving along the roads, you know, and showing you exactly where you are. It's really good. For a few quid, anybody doing this sort of thing, as you can see, we've got the whole of the UK. We've got the Harrison Lewis. You can see some little red dots flashing. That's highlighted places where we want to go. The same as when we've done the NC 500. We've got little bits of what we want to definitely do. So we've just got little dots highlighting them. And now, of course, we're on Skye. We're in the Colin Hills, as you can see. There you go. Well then, guys, sun's come out. See you later. Bye bye. Guys, I'm absolutely shattered. Dawn's down to take a rest. I'm down to rest more than me, bless her. It's down here. Whew. What a view. Being on top. Whew. Man, I could just go talk. Flipping heck, it's gorgeous. I've never experienced this before. The only time I've ever said this, when I've been on a jet going to some foreign land. Brought a lump to my throat, to be honest with you guys. My girl and my little boy keep flogging on. Oh dear. What a view. What a view. Right, we're going to turn you off because behind us is more climbing to be done. Whew. We were 20 to 2. Flipping heck, we're going to be up here all night. We started at what, 10 o'clock, wasn't it? We started at 10 o'clock, so it took us 4 hours to get up here. Nearly 4 hours. Oh, what a view, guys. What a view. Okay guys, we've just come to the end of this walk, this hike. It has been a bit of an hike, more than a walk to be honest with you, a bit of scrambling on the go, on the way. We've just got these mountains all around us now. Well, this is the view behind us to be honest, so if you just want to just take all this in for a minute. This is the view behind us. We've got a bit of a, I don't know what you call it, lock. Pond, pool, you call it what you will. And then when we turn around this way, then the magic happens. Now this camera's probably well overexposed this, but we're in a absolutely stunning, and I've got to say stunning, cloud inversion in front of us. Absolutely unbelievable, and I don't know if I'm seeing it because I don't know if this sun's going to, I don't know if I can block the sun out a bit to get a bit more. There you go, I'm trying to block the sun out there. Stunning, absolutely breathtaking. Ah dear. And now we've got a walk back. It took us 4 hours to get up. And if it takes us the same amount of time to get back, then it's going to be 6 o'clock and it's going to be well dark by then. So as you can see, Dawn there is having a bit of a munch, and Freddie, is that Dawn or is that my shadow or what? I don't know. Oh, there she is. Having a bit of a munch with the dog. Gorgeous guys. I know I keep saying it, I can't help it. It's just gorgeous. I've been waiting so long to be able to get somewhere to see this sort of a sky, and now it's in front of me. Well, I've got to be honest with you, I don't want to climb back down. I just wished I'd brought a tent. I don't think Dawn would want to get in a tent, mind you, but there you go. Anyway guys, here I am again, gabbling on, talking a load of crap. Speak to you in a bit. Okay then guys, and that's us done. We're on our way back down. We just scrambled from up the top of there. We've still got this inversion thing going on, but as we're getting lower now, we're actually going to walk into the mist. There you go. I was hoping that the sun would have burnt a little bit more of it off, but never mind, we're happy with what we got. Okay then guys, until the next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, do all the normal stuff for us, that'll be great, thank you. See you later. Now we came up here a few days ago when we had an inversion, a cloud inversion. So what you can see today, well you couldn't see it the other day because we was in that much mist. So we just thought we'd come and have another walk. Okay guys, I've just pulled over and photographed this. It's really windy at the minute, so I ain't gone through no settings or anything. I've just got the camera out, set the tripod up the best I could, as low as I could, get it out the wind, took the photograph, and that's it. If it's turned out any good, here's the photograph. Okay guys, so we've more or less got to where we want to be. I'll spin around a second, but a few days ago when I brought it up here, and this video is going to be mixed with the other day, so you're going to see foggy moments as well as these clear moments. I've got some lovely light over on these hills over there. I ain't going to photograph it, to be honest with you. I've only got a small lens with me and they'll just look minute. But as we turn around today, and here you see this mountain range, what we was up the other day, we climbed up to there the other day to look over for the cloud inversion. Obviously we ain't getting that today, but what we have got, and I think this is because it's cold, but if I can just, I'm going to zoom into that waterfall there. It's froze. That's how cold it is up here, guys. The waterfall, which the other day got lots of water running down, has just froze. So I'm thinking that the lock above it, which is in the other video, or in this video on a different part of the video, woo, blowing me over. Anyway, there you go. A frozen waterfall, which I'm now going to go and photograph. If the photographs come up any good, here they are. This is what we've got in now, guys. We've got this waterfall, half ice, half full. Obviously slightly warmer today than it has been, so we've got a bit of melt on it now. But oh my god, this is just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Don't stop down the bottom, I don't blame you. A little bit of it wasn't risky, but I taking no risks. It was a bit of a climb up here, but God, was it worth it. Whew. Beautiful. Guys, I'm going to photograph it and get on, because Dordie's waiting for me down the bottom and the lights are going. I'm looking over there now, that's where the light's falling, so yeah, I'm going to get done and get on. See you later.